Hello and welcome everyone. This is Sheikh Himad Gohar with you, and in this presentation I am going to discuss with you regarding the CMA qualification which is offered by Institute of Management Accountants USA. So this presentation is about the online classes which we are going to offer from September onwards for your exams in the month of Jan and Feb next year. This presentation will talk about how we can make you pass this CMA certification within 6 months. Interesting, right? So let's move ahead and see how we can make you pass the CMA qualification within 6 months. So these are the contents of this presentation. First of all, I'm going to talk a little bit about myself and then about the CMA qualification, about the exam structure, the contents, uh, how many times during the year you can give exams. They are called exam windows. About the exam fees, what are the passing marks, why students fail in CMA, and why you should study with us, and finally the study plan, right? So let's move ahead with a little bit introduction about me. My name, as I already mentioned earlier, is Sheikh Himad Gohar, and I am a CMA, CFE, and ACC qualified. I have experience in the public sector, in the Big Four firm, and also in industry of more than 5 years. I have been delivering CMA trainings for more than 5 years at well-known training centers in the Middle East. So moving ahead with the CMA introduction, it is the shortest possible accounting qualification in the whole world. It is widely accepted and valued by employers. You can complete CMA within 12 to 18 months, but if you study with us, we will make sure you pass it within 6 months. You can become part of the 4,000 students who qualify CMA every year. And to date, as per the IMA numbers, 70,000 CMA certificates have been issued so far. So it's really a prestigious qualification, and we will make sure that we can help you out in making you pass these exams within 6 months. Let's move ahead and talk about the exam structure. Now, this is a 4 hours exam as compared to the other professional accountancy certifications like ACCA or ICAEW. So they are 3 hours exam. So this CMA exam is a 4-hour exam. Now, if you see in more detail, the 4 hours are divided into two parts. So first of all, you have 3 hours for your MCQs and you have 1 hour to solve two essay questions, right? Now, there is no break in the exam and you have only one choice, and that choice is you can leave the exam hall, right? So there is no break and no choice. Moving ahead, the CMA exams, there are two CMA exams. Okay, part one is called Financial Planning, Performance and Analytics, in which you talk about financial reporting, budgeting, performance management, cost management, internal controls, and technology, right? In part two, we talk about the financial statement analysis, corporate finance, decision analysis, risk management, investment decisions, and ethics. So these are called 12 domains for you, which you have to cover if you want to be CMA certified, right? So very interesting syllabus and very fruitful syllabus. Moving ahead, we will talk about the exam windows. How many times in a year you can give exams? This is called exam windows. So we are working towards the Jan-Feb window next year. Okay, so the classes will start from September and they will end somewhere around mid of Jan. So you are well prepared to give your exams in the month of February next year. If you talk about the exam fees, right now the CMA entrance fees is $250, apart from the IMA membership fees, which is also $250, and per exam you have to pay $415. Most of the students, they go for professional membership, but if you are studying in university, you can also go for the academic membership, which is a little bit cheaper. Now, the passing marks in CMA are very high as compared to other professional accountancy certifications, which have around 50% passing marks. So here you have to get 72%. So this is a big challenge, because of which many students, they fail. They fail around 65 to 70%. So how to cross this 72% borderline? So this is where we come in, and we are going to discuss with you the exam techniques, that how you can pass these exams in the first attempt. So moving ahead, why students fail in CMA? This is the biggest question people have in their mind. So I have created this list for you. I will quickly go through it. Let's see. The number one is, students, they when they go for CMA training, they don't verify that the trainer is CMA qualified or not. So this is really amazing. I mean, majority of the trainers out there, they are not themselves CMA qualified and they are teaching this qualification. So really, sometimes I am amazed to see that how they can teach a certification which they have not done. So maybe they will have a lot of experience and they have knowledge, but they cannot make you pass. They can give you knowledge, but to pass these exams, you really need to study from a person who has himself or herself qualified CMA, right? So this is the main reason. The next reason, the students, they prepare for MCQs, but they don't make sure that they do the MCQ within 1.8 minutes. This is the prescribed time. You have to do each MCQ within 1.8 minutes. The third reason is, people, they take CMA syllabus very lightly, like those people who are coming from other professional certifications. So they say, we know all these topics, these are very simple, so we can do it ourselves. It's not like that. The questions are really different from other certifications, and they test in very much detail also. So you need to make sure that you don't take the syllabus lightly. So the fourth reason is, this is a 4 hours exam, right? As I discussed with you before. So, students, they get exhausted while solving MCQs within those 3 hours. So they don't have any energy left to solve essay questions. So this is the major reason. In order to pass CMA exams, you have to perform well in essay questions. Why study with us? Because we will make you pass these exams with ease. We will make sure that you ace these exams in the first attempt, right? You want to know how? Let's see. So see, what's our teaching methodology? It's very clearly written here. Let's see. So first of all, you will have access to our state-of-the-art learning management system. The classes will be live on Zoom and they will be recorded for your later access. You will have WhatsApp support group where you can interact with me, with your fellow students, with other student support team also. I think you may be thinking that everyone is offering these features out there, right? So what's new? Nothing, right? Let's see ahead. This is same as others, right? Not really. If you see how we differentiate from others, let me tell you how we will differentiate. First of all, as I said, I am a CMA qualified trainer. So this is a plus point for you. And even if you don't study with me, you should make sure that whoever you are studying with, they are CMA qualified. This is the first thing you should make sure. The second thing is, we will have detailed discussion on IMA support package. We will have a special focus on essay questions. We will take your regular mock exams. We will give you real-time feedback. Before exam, I will create summary videos for you and I will give you short notes to make sure that you pass the exam in the first attempt. I have customized notes and slides for you also. Apart from that, for those students who are weak in basic accounting, so we have created special videos for you for the basic financial and management accounting concepts and you are going to get it. So this is our study plan. Let's quickly go through it. So for each part, we have around 70 hours, okay? And it will be twice a week. So for part 1, it is on Tuesday and Wednesday. And for part 2, it is on Sunday and Monday. So part 1 will start on 1st of September and part 2 will start on 6th of September, right? The timings are 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Arabian Standard Time. So these are, we will have around 35 sessions, 2 hours each, which are spread over 4.5 months. So you can target around, we will start in September and we will finish in mid-Jan. So you can give your exams in Feb. Presentation, thank you so much. I hope I'm able to deliver what I wanted, and see you in my classes in September.